infant deaths today. It says that we still have a lot of work to do in Hamilton County, at least to help save some babies' lives.
Medical reporter Liz Bonus joins us now to share the numbers and a few reminders when it comes to what can make a big difference. Right, Liz?
Boy, we are hearing a lot about this. The Ohio Department of Health has released this infant mortality rate report today. And it says that the number of infant deaths went up this past year. We lost about 45 babies more statewide than the year before. Cradle Cincinnati, our local group, then followed that report, saying that while Hamilton County numbers have gotten better, they are still higher than average compared to many other counties in the state. So here's what's alarming, and here's what we need to know. Sleep-related deaths went up statewide in 2015. They also went up in Hamilton County. It's one of the reasons they ask all of us to remember babies need the ABCs of safe sleep. That means babies need to be alone, on their backs, and in a crib when they are sleeping. Second concern, the number of deaths from birth defects went up in Hamilton County as well. Most were heart problems found in babies. Prenatal care, as well as early as possible to see your doctor, may help you with needed information and treatment for these. Finally, some really good news. Preterm birth, the leading cause of infant death, did fall in Hamilton County, and that comes from spacing babies at least a year apart, and not smoking can play a role in that as well. Now, there are several resources available to help parents. They can reduce the risks related to these infant deaths. We put a link to those at local12.com. You know, we've had a struggle, and we don't always really know why, but if we can just address them a little bit at a time. Yeah. The spacing is at least a year apart. That seems to have been making the biggest difference so far.
But you know, you're here all the time with the education on the sleep-related deaths, and yet the numbers, they've gone up. I'm shocked to hear that, because there's such a big campaign out there to get the word out.
And you know, we don't necessarily know why. I've heard of people, you know, just sleeping while you're watching the football game, the baby falls asleep on your chest and doesn't wake up. We don't know, and that's what we're still really learning. You certainly don't want to blame parents. You just want to share the information.
Knowledge is key. ABCs.
Yeah, it sounds really simple, but it's so innocent often when it happens.